Hi, Chris here. A little while ago you saw me pick this Baton detainer padlock. It's a sort of fun intermediate lock. This is the 40mm version. Recently picked up the larger 50mm version, the big brother. I think I got this for, I think it was £12 on eBay, so a bit of a bargain really for what's quite a nice lock. So I'm going to attempt a blind pick on this, or semi-blind. Obviously, you know, the keys are in there, and I have seen them, but I don't know don't know the bitting or anything like that. I'll be attempting it as if it was completely blind. Now I know this this lock has rear tension. It's got a gated spinner and a non-zero front disc, so it's much easier to pick with rear tension than front. So I'm going to take the same approach on this one. I'm going to go in with the rear tension pick on my RWB, and hopefully get this open in a reasonably short amount of time. Okay, so here we are with our lock. Pop it in the vise and see if we can get it picked. So start as usual, just turning everything clockwise, and then I am going to go all the way to the back. And start picking from there. Okay, so straight away I've got a little bit of feedback on that back disc. Next one's binding even better. Yep, that's loose now. Next one up has a loose spot just right. Yeah, it's got a loose spot there. Nothing on that one. I noticed on the little one that max rotation discs don't seem to give any feedback at all when you're picking them, so I'm just going to leave that where it is, all the way clockwise. One seems to have a loose spot there, so that's good. This one's binding really well. Yeah, so I think that's a gate there. I think that's a zero rotation one. This one's binding nicely. Good click there. Nothing on that one. So again, I'll just leave that where it is. So it's binding well. Loose spot there. Come off that one. It feels like a max rotation. Yeah, again, that's a max rotation, and this should be the spinner. Yep, that's the spinner. Leave that one alone. Go back to the back and see what's not set. I've got feedback on most of the discs there, so it should be pretty close. there we go. Open. There's a couple of discs at the front there which I didn't set as well, so I think this might be, this might have some zeros at the front. Let's get this out and have a bit of a look. Now I can allow myself to look at the keys. Can't really tell, we'll have to have a look around inside. Yeah, so now I've got it apart and I put the key in. I can see it's got two uncut bits, or two discs that go with uncut key at the front. So I could have front tensioned this actually. And looking at it, there's the one at the back you'd expect. Then there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 discs which are max rotations, and yeah, don't actually need picking at all. And there you can see that on the keys. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's the one at the back. Right, let's finish gutting this. Okay, so bring that up for a close-up. There we are. There's all the discs. So lots and lots of discs. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 discs and a spinner. So lots of discs there. Just I guess I was a little bit unlucky with the bitting on this one. So only 7 of them actually needed picking. But yeah, otherwise a very enjoyable lock.